In a small, bustling village lived two inseparable friends, Ali and Omar, their bond stronger than any blood relation. Ali hailed from a wealthy family, while Omar's family was humble, but their differing backgrounds never once mattered in their friendship. As they grew older, Ali started a thriving business and accumulated vast wealth, enjoying a life of luxury and comfort. Omar, on the other hand, worked hard to make ends meet, finding joy in his simple life and honest labor. One fateful day, Ali's business suffered a catastrophic collapse, and he lost almost all his fortune overnight. Many who once flattered him and called themselves his friends quickly abandoned him, unwilling to associate with a man who had nothing. Feeling utterly alone and heartbroken, Ali didn't know where to turn, burdened by shame and despair. Omar, upon hearing of Ali's terrible misfortune, immediately rushed to find his old friend without a moment's hesitation. He offered Ali a place in his small home, shared his meager food, and encouraged him to rebuild his life with kindness and steadfast support. With Omar's unwavering belief and assistance, Ali slowly regained his confidence and eventually started a new, honest venture, forever grateful for his true friend. True friendship is a priceless treasure that shines brightest in the darkest times, proving its worth when all else fades away.
छोटे उमर को अपनी नानी जान की कहानियां बहुत पसंद थीं। एक धूप वाली दोपहर उन्होंने इससे हर हफ्ते मिलने का वदा लिया। उमर ने चमकती आंखों से जोश और खरूश से वदा किया, इसका छोटा हाथ उनके हाथ में था। मैं वदा करता हूं नानी, हर एक हफ्ते, इसने कहा। चंद हफ्तों तक उमर ने अपना वदा निभाया, अपनी नानी के लिए फूल अछूटी तस्वीरें लाता रहा। वो खुशी से चमक उठतीं। जल्द ही स्कूल शुरू हो गया और उमर ने नए दोस्त बनाए। इसकी दोपहरें खेलों और होमवर्क से भर गईं। एक हफ्ता दोस्तों के साथ फुटबॉल मैच में मगन वो नानी के पास जाने के बारे में बिल्कुल भूल गया। इस शाम इस पर नदामत की एक लहर छा गई। इसे नानी की उम्मीद भरी आंखें और अपना पुख्ता वदा याद आया। अगली सुबह अगरचे इसके दोस्तों ने फिल्म का मंसूबा बनाया था, उमर ने पहले अपनी नानी से मिलने का फैसला किया। वो एक छोटा हाथ से बना कार्ड लेकर पहुंचा, अपनी ताखीर के लिए माजरत की। नानी ने इसे डांटा नहीं, बल्कि सिर्फ गर्मजोशी से मुस्कुराए। मेरे बच्चे, वदा एक खजाना है, उन्होंने सरगोशी की, उनकी आंखें चमक रही थीं। ये दिखाता है कि तुम हकीकत में कौन हो। इस दिन के बाद उमर ने कभी अपना वदा दोबारा नहीं भुलाया, इसकी हकीकी कदर को समझते हुए। वादे निभाना एतमाद बनाता है और आपके हकीकी किरदार को जाहिर करता है। ये एक छोटा सा अमल है जिसका असर बहुत बड़ा होता है।
Ahmed, a hungry young boy, walked slowly through the dusty streets after school. His stomach growled loudly, dreaming of food. Near the market, he saw an old woman, Bibi John, struggling to carry two heavy grocery bags. She looked frail and tired. Despite his own hunger, Ahmed felt a pang of sympathy and rushed to her side. Bibi John, let me help you, he offered politely. Bibi John smiled weakly, grateful for his kindness, and handed him one of the heavy bags. Together, they walked towards her small, simple home. Inside her humble dwelling, Bibi John insisted he sit down. She quickly prepared a warm roti and a bowl of lentil soup for him. Ahmed's eyes widened at the unexpected feast. He ate slowly, savoring every bite, his hunger replaced by a feeling of warmth and gratitude. Many years passed, and Ahmed grew up to be a successful and prosperous businessman. He never forgot Bibi John's small act of kindness. One day, visiting his old neighborhood, he saw Bibi John's dilapidated house, looking even more worn with time. He felt a deep sense of responsibility. Ahmed arranged for her house to be fully renovated, installing new amenities and ensuring she had a comfortable life. He also provided for her daily needs. Bibi John, now very old and frail, wept tears of joy and endless blessings for Ahmed. His enduring gratitude had transformed her twilight years. A simple act of kindness, given with a grateful heart, often returns to us in unexpected and beautiful ways. True gratitude remembers and repays.